Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share my review of the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture range. So I have been using this from the last 2.5 months, and I think now I'm ready to give you my 100% honest review on this. Before this, I have used the L'Oreal Dreamland shampoo, and I am a die-hard fan of this. I am a very loyal customer and I've used this for almost 2 years. And but recently I got my hair colored, and I wanted something that will give me more moisture and it will help me with the frizziness. So after you color your hair, and because I got my hair a lot lighter this time, I wanted to use something which will help me get rid of the frizz, because once you get your hair colored, your hair tends to break a lot and it's been really frizzy lately. So I thought, why not give the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture a shot. And because I really like this brand L'Oreal, and I feel like the ingredients that they use and the price that you're paying is really worth it, so I wanted to give this a try. So this is my honest review for this particular range. So I started using this 2 months ago, and see, like, what it claims especially about the dryness and frizziness, that is that it will definitely take care of the frizziness of your hair, it will give you hydration. But then it did not work for me. Now I'll tell you why. First thing, like, when you use it on the first day, like, or the first time, it will really give you nice nourishment, your hair will feel good, it will be hydrated, bouncy. But then this particular shampoo doesn't last your hydration longer. I mean, with this shampoo, it's just for that one particular wash, but then even on the same day of the shampoo day, by the evening your hair will be frizzy again. And trust me, I am somebody with the most coarse hair and I keep experimenting with my hair. Some time back, like 2 years back, I also had like colored hair, like blue, green, random colors I used to use on the lower half of my hair. So my hair has taken a lot but then yeah, I switched to L'Oreal Dream Lens after that, and I've been really loving this product. But then yeah, I just wanted to try the other variant also, just to take care of the frizziness. But yeah, this shampoo did not help me much when it comes to dryness and frizziness. My hair feels as it is. I think I'm gonna go back to the Dream Lens again. But yeah, the moisturizer I'm definitely going to use, because this is the game changer. I mean, when you talk about this range, the shampoo is just cleaning your scalp or whatever it does, but then the conditioner, like, this thing actually works. So when you just skip the conditioner and use the shampoo on its own, your hair is going to be a mess. But then if this conditioner is used along with the shampoo, this will really help. Or in general, with any shampoo, if you're using this conditioner, you will get the most hydrated hair of your life. So I use this like a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just switch up, and I'm going to use this conditioner with my Dream Lens. I'm not going to use this. I'll tell you why. Because first thing, it's not doing what it says. Also, this has a hair fall problem, so you will lose your hair during the shower, after the shower, and even throughout the day, in fact throughout the week. So you will not like it. And I've been losing hair a lot lately, and I am not going to continue using this because I already have fine hair and I don't want to get bald again. So yeah, this is my review so far for the Hyaluron Moisture range. A lot of people may like it who do not have hair fall problem or who do not have frizzy hair. Just normal hair, this will work well. But then for somebody who has like really coarse hair, or somebody who has frizzy dry hair, this will not do much, so you can just skip it altogether. So yeah, here is my review for this range. But if you want to go ahead and try another product from L'Oreal, from my side, I can guarantee this will really work for you. In fact, this really helped me grow my hair also. Like, it doesn't really make your hair grow, but then it does reduces the breakage, so that is how your hair will feel like really volumed and then a denser. So I really like this product. So far so good. But then yeah, if you tell me to give you a review, honest review, I would not give it a thumbs up. It will be a thumbs down for me. So yeah, this is so far about this particular product. If you like this kind of content, I do post regular videos my skin type is extremely oily and I do suffer from hormonal acne, so I'm working to get rid of the scars on my face. So I've been using a lot of products lately. They're all really amazing products, and I have my honest 1000% honest review on my channel. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below, and if you want to know more details about this channel, go ahead and check the playlist. I have everything for you, whatever you need. So thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.